In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to share content from TikTok. To share content from TikTok, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So basically, you have to make sure to have an account, and you also need to make sure to update the app to the latest version. Also, you have to have a stable internet connection. To share your content, you want to open up your TikTok application and locate what sort of content you like to share. Now, for example, let's see, this is the one, or this is the particular content that I would like to actually go ahead and share it. Then I just need to click on the share button right over here. As you could see, this is the one. Click on it. And then you want to go ahead and make sure to select whether you want to actually share it on the TikTok itself, or you want to go ahead and share it on a different platform. You want to click on it and then select it accordingly, just like that, and click on this arrow button right in the corner, and you'll have successfully sent or shared a content on TikTok. And if you want to share a content yourself on your post, then you want to make sure to open up TikTok, click on the plus button, and then you could just go ahead and maybe take a video or post whatever that you like. You could also share it from your gallery, and this way as well you'll be able to share content on TikTok or from TikTok. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.